So most of you guys are asking about the Arcade and Arcade Facilitator program, like when will the Facilitator program live and can we start doing skill badges now? Some important things you need to understand. What should be your prime focus in this particular cohort 1 2026? But before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel and do like the video. Also join our social handles which are presented in the description box for quick and easy update. Now coming to the program page directly, this is our Arcade Facilitator program homepage. Now you need to understand a basic difference. It's a simple difference between the Arcade and Arcade Facilitator program. Here in Arcade program and in Arcade Facilitator program, the major difference is that Arcade program is main program and Arcade Facilitator is just an add-on. It's not compulsory to be a part of Facilitator program for getting the swags. So this is the first confusion which most of you guys are having. Coming to the second query, let me just tell you that when will be the event starting. So the new cohort, that is the Facilitator 2026, cohort 1 will be starting in mostly in April and May. Okay, you'll be notified whenever there will be update. I'll make a detailed video how to register. Here simply a form is released where you have to enter the referral code which will be provided by me. Do not worry. And the step-by-step guide how to fill the form and a Q&A session will be live too to help you understand and complete the form enrollment. Okay, do not worry about that. The forms will be live too. So as of now, what you need to do, you need to wait for the program to start. Okay. But if you have already participated in the arcade program, means this program where you can see these games are live. So here you need to understand that the complete solution guides are already available on the channel. And if you're watching this video for the first time, then also I have made a complete guide. If you just see, let me just open the playlist. Here you can see how to create a new account. If you are comfortable in Hindi language, for that also I will attach this video. You can watch this video to understand how to participate in the program. I'll be getting the prizes, but skill badges, all things are covered in this video. And if you want to know about the event in English also, I have covered that too. So you can watch depending on your requirement. Okay. So as of now, your prime focus should be completing Arcade Games 3. The program is completely easy. You have to complete more points because I think this time they'll increase the point tier. Okay. Earlier it was 95 points. Maybe it will go up to 100 or may remain same. But if you complete with Arcade Games, then you'll be getting some extra benefit if you start early. Okay. So what extra benefits you will be getting if I have to just explain you. So in each month we are getting 11 arcade points. Okay. So suppose the event will be starting in April or May. So it may start, let's assume it is starting in May only. Okay. So May is 5th month. You have now 4 months remaining. So total you can earn 44 points with arcade games only. Okay. Now for remaining, you have to complete some milestone which you have to start in the facilitator program only. You can easily reach 95 points with the help of facilitator program. Also, you'll be having some rest time. Okay, I think you'll be having some rest times from October or November. Okay, sorry, October not. Before the final price counter opens, I think you'll be easily able to reach to 95 points, even more points if you join the facilitator program. Now coming to the things which you have to avoid as you see the syllabus. I came to know most of the participants have completed lab free courses also. If you want to know what is lab free courses, what is arcade games, for that also I think I made a video and it is live also. Okay. So if you need credits and want to complete skill badges also, I've shared that also in the video. Let me just check it. I published the video today only. So this is the video. Okay. About what is arcade games, what is skill badges, what is lab courses, how they look, how they'll be giving your points, all things are covered. I'll link the complete playlist. You can watch it. So as of now, you have to avoid skill badges. Okay. Just avoid skill badges, lab free courses. Your prime focus should be completing the arcade games which are listed over here. Okay. Just complete the arcade games which are listed over here, including the trivia and a detailed guide whenever the program will be live. So you'll be associated and updated to you. Do not worry about it. So thank you. Have a great day. If you still have any doubts, do let me in the comment section. Okay.